Hello, me again. Okay, I've checked it out dimensionally, and we are just over 2 mil shorter than I'd got on the drawing, and it works out that it's about 1 mil off each section. And I've centered here and just put a small center pot mark there, and I've just scribed a line to give some indication of that's what the bore looks like. And I've just marked out now for the 2 holes here, which once it's finished there'll be a bracket that comes off of this, which then holds the hooter in the right place. I have just moved one of these holes slightly, because I'd got it marked at 15 mil on the drawing, and I've actually brought it down to 20 mil, and I'm actually going to drill them in 10.5 deep rather than the 13 that I've got on the drawing there. So I'll set this all up ready for the drilling. All I'm going to do tonight is just drill and tap those 2 holes. So I'll get that set up, and I'll bring you back in. Okay, I have put this in. I'm going to start boring this out now for the to go over the frame tube. I've done some measuring. In one of the previous videos I want to put something between the block and the frame, and so what I've decided to do is to use duct tape, funnily enough. I thought that I can, once I've got the bore made, I can actually stick a couple of layers of this onto the inside faces, which will hopefully just protect the paintwork. Now, the double thickness of that comes out at 0.62, and I've remeasured the frame, which is 31.96. So I need to take that hole out to 32.52. I've set it up and I've sort of trammed it across to make sure that it's sat in the vise level. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is drill it out to size. I've got a 30 mil drill there, so we'll go up in stages to get to 30 mil, and then I'm going to pop the boring head in just to finish it off to dimension. So that'll just mean a bit of internal measuring and a bit of internal measuring and miking up to get it right. I've set the table stop on the back so that when I want to measure, I should be able to release the table, bring it out to do the measuring, and then take it back in against the stop there, lock it, and we'll be back in the same spot. I'm going to start drilling this out. Okay, we'll see whether I can have a bit more luck with my cutting today. Drop the chuck out and we're on to more papers. So I've got a 3/4 there. Drop the speed off it a bit. Okay, we'll put the 30 in, and when I've got the 30 in, what I'll do is I'll engage the quill fine feed so that I've got a bit more control over the drill, if I can get it in. Right, I'll drop it down to the slowest speed I've got. Engage the fine feed and give it a whirl. Too painful, was it? Okay, so I've got that to clean up. Now I'll clear up, I'll get the boring head in and set up, and then I'll bring you back in before I start.